Hey guys, I just want to pop in here and give a proper intro to this video because when we filmed this, I was just not in my vlogging best. I don't even think I'm in my vlogging best right now. I'm super stressed right now. I have a lot going on in my life. Good things, really good things. I just kind of have like 19 things perpetually circulating the hippocampus of my brain. Did that even make sense? In Southern California, there are a bunch of wildflowers during the springtime, you know, just like in most places of the world during spring, lots of flowers shoot up. But there's this one particular place near Lake Elsinore that has a bunch of California poppies. Poppies are the state flower and they're really beautiful. And every once in a while, there's a super bloom. It doesn't happen every year apparently, but it's just like massive amounts of wildflowers surrounding you when you're driving on the highway, and they're all over these hills. So they have these hiking trails that you could go on and see the flowers. I just want to point out that there has been some controversy in the past, like visiting these trails, because some visitors kind of go off trail and trample on the wildflowers. It's really a shame because we want to take care of the planet and take care of this like beautiful wonder that we've been given to witness, and when people trample on them, they kill the flowers. I just want to point out that it looks like we're in the fields and like going off the path, but we didn't go off the path at all. We went on designated trails. We know what designated trails are. We do a lot of trail running, spend a lot of our time out on public lands, running on trails, so we're very familiar with it. The reason it looks like we're kind of going off path is because there are that many flowers, that they're so tall and huge and beautiful, and the way the camera is angled, sometimes it's kind of to give you that perspective to make it look like we're in a field of wildflowers, when really we're on a trail next to wildflowers and we didn't trample any. Also, I want to point out something super cool. In the past couple weeks, we've been in the path of a butterfly migration. I know nothing about it, so I don't even know what kind of butterflies they are, but you go outside and the butterflies are just like all around you, and I've never seen butterflies fly with such determination. I hope you enjoy this video, maybe inspires you to get outside as well, because it is springtime, it is gorgeous out, and yeah, go enjoy nature. It's really good for you. Breathe in those flowers. See how I don't know how to vlog. I'm done. All I know how to do is sit in this chair and type. We are going on a little like adventure today, and I put makeup on for the first time in a month because we're taking photos, and I like kind of just realized that I'm gonna be in the photos. Guys, I'm not photo ready. I just need a little quick lunch, some gluten-free avocado toast. Very easy, very fast. Now we gotta drive. When it becomes springtime, the wildflowers bloom in a super way. Basically, you just like see them. Oh, not every year?
There's not a super bloom every year.
But this year there is. So this year there's a super bloom. I'm really knowledgeable about flora. Our friend Flo, who's one of the nicest people on the entire planet, started a running apparel company, and Eric sometimes like does photo shoots for them because he's really cute. Okay, can you guys see this dusting of orange that looks like Cheetos?
There is a lot of Cheetos.
A lot of Cheetos out there on those damn hills. Those are poppies.
It's gonna be like that.
That is crazy. Can you see that?
Gosh.
Oh my gosh. This, you guys, is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I
had no idea.
I had no idea it was gonna be this crazy. We're literally just driving straight into a bunch of orange, and we are so shocked, and there are butterflies flying all around our car. We just got here. I'm so car sick, I really have to pee, and there are so many people here. It's worse than the beach. I hate crowds, but I love flowers. So, we endure it.
There's so many spots over there, guys. Why are you like waiting to park here?
You know what's so funny is like people getting all angry trying to park because they're trying to see flowers. I gotta see my flowers! This is like worse than a Dodger game, I swear. This is madness, Flo. What is all these people? Hi. Jesse, you have to make my video more interesting than just a bunch of flowers all the time. I have some path gear on, I have a hat, I have a t-shirt, and now Flo's gonna take pictures of us, but I warned him I don't look cool when I run. It's more just like, oh, that girl's learning how to run, how cute.
Yo. Some of the other bushes and spruce. Oh, look at that form. Wow. Wow.
Having to cut off your own arm? How many hours was the title again? 27. But it was way more though. It was 127. 127.
You guys, I'm getting it. It's just sitting there.
Feels like I'm living in the ocean. Feels like I'm breathing in the sea. I'm holding on my forward motion when thinking what you meant to me, to me. Oh,